Time in decades now, Connecticut residents may be getting a tax cut.
Governor Lamont wants to reduce taxes for lower and middle-class families, and we'll get those details when Lamont gives his budget address tomorrow.
Chief political reporter Susan Raff is live tonight at the Legislative Office Building in Hartford with a preview of what he's going to be talking about. Hi there, Susan. Big news. People.
Hi there. This is a pretty big deal, right? I mean, Connecticut is known for having high taxes, and we've certainly had tax increases. This could be the first tax cut since the 90s. Now, tonight, we wanted to take a closer look at what this means for working families.
We're going to reduce the 5% tax rate to 4.5% tax rate.
Just weeks after being sworn in, Governor Lamont is setting his priorities, and that includes pushing for tax cuts.
This is an important announcement. This is the biggest tax cut since the dawn of the income tax in the state of Connecticut.
Connecticut has a surplus and more than $3 billion in its rainy day fund, one of the largest in the country.
We've had several years now of surpluses. We're going to have a fifth surplus this year, and we have ample revenue coming in to be able to afford this.
A personal income tax cut could help middle-class families earning less than $150,000 a year. Joint filers would get about $600 and single filers $300. Increasing the earned income tax credit would give lower income families, those earning less than $50,000, anywhere between $1,500 and $2,700. Families are paying a lot more these days for just about everything. Muhammad Elahi, who teaches international business at Quinnipiac University, says this is what people need right now.
We were suffering from persistent budget deficit. But since 2018, we had budget surplus. So it is time to give back some of the money to the residents.
What could this cost to give all these tax cuts? Well, about $500 million. And coming up on Eyewitness News at 6, you'll hear why the state or Connecticut's governor feels that we can afford this. Plus, you'll hear from one woman, a struggling worker who's trying to make ends meet, and how this will help her. Plus, what kind of reaction and support will the governor get from across the aisle? We are live tonight in Hartford. Susan Raff, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.